Hey guys, it's Darrian. Thanks for watching and tuning in. Also, go check out my other video that I made a couple of weeks ago. I'm back in Paris again. I was meant to be going to LA today, but my schedule changed, so instead I'm gonna go to Norway. Today I kind of want to talk, well not talk, but I want to do like just eye makeup for drag. I'm not going to do my entire face because I don't want to shave my facial hair off and look like a 12-year-old child again. But I want to do the eyes because to me, when I look at someone, I usually look at their eyes first or their teeth. So with drag, and starting out, and I had this problem as well, what you see in the mirror when you tell yourself you look great versus what shows in the pictures, and then after the night ends, it's totally different. And a lot of people, and I had this problem as well, when starting out, you don't blend well enough, and especially if you have like thick brows like I do, it's sometimes difficult to even cover them, but it is possible. I do either two separate ways, but I usually use like Elmer's glue, the washable kind, and it comes in like a purple like that. Or you can use spirit gum. I don't usually use spirit gum because sometimes it takes off my eyebrows, but you can take it off with like alcohol or something like that. But with the Elmer's glue, it does come off a bit easier, but you can pack that on like 4 to 5 layers depending on how thick your eyebrows are. And as far as like the eyeshadow is concerned, you just want to make sure that you blend it in correctly, and like when you do your eye, you want to kind of make it to where your face is going up instead of just like straight across, because when you do it like that, you look like a depressed person. So your eyes will be really low, and when you put the lashes on, you won't really see the crease of the eye where you put your center makeup on. And then when you do like the liner and whatnot, you want to make sure that it goes up, so your face is kind of lifted up when you do the rest of your makeup, and it kind of just coincides with everything when you do your highlight and your contouring. It just all goes up like a woman's face usually does. So as a guy, that can be difficult, but let's get it started. I'm going to just rush through it because I do leave today. So
Purse first, walk into the room, purse first. Purse first, walk into the room, purse first. It is a known fact that a woman do carry an evening bag at dinner time. You see it on Real Housewives of Atlanta. You see it on Real Housewives of Potomac. You even see it on Little Women LA. I don't know why you all gagging. Purse first, walk into the room, purse first. Purse first, walk into the room, purse first. Ow, purse first, listen to the first verse of purse first. Purse first. Bitch, you paid too much trying to look like me. My purse was buy one, get one free. Is that a Vera Wang gown? Girl, I'll take your hand-me-down. Fendi Prada, no, it's not a Michael Kors as nice as yours. You broke the bank, but I turned the ball. Now who's the fiercest of them all? Cack, boom. Cack, boom, you walk into the room.
So the caterpillars are done now. Like I said, I've got thick eyebrows, so if you do as well, even if you don't, you just want to make sure that you do as many layers as it takes for your brows to be completely flat against your face, and for there to be a smooth layer over your brows. Because if it's not smooth and it has like ridges and it's very clumpy and messy, once you get to doing your eyeshadow and finishing the look, it'll just look very like messy and not so cute. So I'm gonna do my gonna cover these, do the eyeshadow, and yeah.
Cack boom, you walk into the room. then you fall on your back. Act to the cat, 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 boom. Shake a cat, 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 cat. Shawam, boom, shake a. Make sure you don't stop. Bring it back up and then death drop. Purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Ow, purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Before you come for me, you better sharpen your claws. Tell me, is you mad or not? Your Jimmy shoes are killing you. Size 15 foot with a size 10 shoe. Girl, I'm way too blessed to be stressed. Why pay more when you can pay less? I spooked your tea and now you mad. I'll duck walk on your Birkin bag. Duck, duck. Ooh, quack. I'm feeling quack. Quack, quack. Get back. A bitch is feeling quack. Ow, ow, get back. A bitch is feeling quack. Purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Ow, purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Pick it back up, then you fall on your back. Act to the cat, 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 boom. Shake a cat, 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 cat. Shawam, boom, shake a. Make sure you don't stop. Bring it back up and then death drop. Purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Ow, purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires. Ow, purse fires, purse fires. Walk to the room, purse fires.
Geronimo, they're falling like they're dominoes. Please believe it, and let that be the reason. Geronimo, Geronimo, they're falling like they're dominoes. Sight beat the world, we shall see. Geronimo, Geronimo, they're falling like they're dominoes. Please believe it, and let that be the reason. Geronimo, Geronimo, they're falling like they're dominoes. Sight beat the world, we shall see.
Geronimo, Geronimo, these girls are falling dominoes. They call me Dynamo, but I be yelling Vomino. So you bout to undergo Daenerys in a Game of Thrones. No, I'm not no common host. They're sliding down a rabbit hole. What?
And they be slaying.
I slay these bitches double Dutch.
And they be slaying.
I slay these bitches, so what's up?
And they be slaying.
I slay these bitches double Dutch.
And they be slaying.
I slay these bitches, so what's up?
Jump. Up and down, jump. All around, jump. Up and down, jump. Now make your booty bounce. Booty bounce. Now make your booty bounce. Booty bounce. Now make your booty bounce. Hey, 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 hey. La 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 la. Hey, 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 hey. La 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 la.
Geronimo, Geronimo, I send him to Guantanamo, or better yet the Alamo. Macaulay Culkin's Home Alone. It's my sickening do-si-do, my undefeated rope-a-dope. From Tokyo to Kokomo, my syncopated rodeo. What? I got my chaperone, my wherefore Alpha Romeo. Tell Juliet to hold the phone, cause she never gonna get that Tootsie Roll. It's my turn to chew the bone, to spread my leg like Sharon Stone, to dominate like Al Capone. This playground is my battle zone. What?
And they be slaying.
I slay these bitches double Dutch.
And they be slaying.
I slay these bitches, so what's up?
And they be slaying.
I slay these bitches double Dutch.
And they be slaying.
I slay these bitches, so what's up?
Jump. Up and down, jump. All around, jump. Up and down, jump. Now make your booty bounce. Booty bounce. Now make your booty
Yes, Mama Roo. Blind Tom says, sight beat the world and we shall see. Tell a man with the money to come here and pay me. Man, she's so wild.
Only you and me got 180 degrees and I'm caught in between. Counting 1, 2, 3, Peter, Paul, and Mary. Getting down with 3P. Everybody loves counting.
So I went ahead and did I shaped up my brows, and now I'm doing my contour and stuff and blush. So like I said, you just want to really make sure that your eyebrows are really down flat, because when you start putting the entire look together, it will really help out. So now I'm gonna just go under my brows. Go under my brows and with a highlight color, and then put the lashes on, and then I should be done.
Not only you and me got 180 degrees and I'm caught in between. Counting 1, 2, 3, Peter, Paul, and Mary. Getting down with 3P. Everybody loves counting 1, 2, 3. Not only you and me got 180 degrees and I'm caught in between. Counting 1, 2, 3, Peter, Paul, and Mary. Getting down with 3P. Everybody loves 3 is a charm, 2 is not the same. I don't see the harm, so are you game? Let's make a team, make him say my name. Love and the extreme, now are you game? Are you in? Living insane is the new thing, yeah. Are you in? I am.
So I'm pretty much done. I always have a problem with this lash. I don't know why. But like I said, you want to make sure that your brows are down very, very flat as you can get them, to where there's no hairs out, because what it does is just makes a very clean look once you go to put all the colors on and the eyebrows on, and there's no clumps of your eyebrows or the product that you put on. So yeah, pay no mind to the bottom half of my face, didn't really do anything there, so I just did mostly this area just to show you what it looks like, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a like, and yeah,